strong believer is most beloved to Allah than a weak believer, though there is good in both. Strength is not the absence of failure. Strength is rising after falling. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A dark night turns into a bright day. A bright day again turns into a dark night. That's life. Life is all about ups and downs, joys and sorrows, success and failures. Nothing remains permanent. While aiming for big goals, we face big problems, obstacles, hurdles, and challenges. At times, we feel disappointed, we lose heart, lose confidence, and finally, we give up. But ladies and gentlemen, we often give up without realizing that we are just one step away from our goal. We give up without knowing that we have almost reached the destination. We give up without knowing that success is standing right in front of us. But my dear friends, every problem, every obstacles and every challenge is actually an opportunity. An opportunity is to prove our potential, our ability, our mettle. Now let me share a powerful lesson through example. If today I am holding a microphone, then it is audible for all of you. It is because of power, not muscles power, but electric power. That reminds us of Thomas Edison. He failed not once, not twice, but 10,000 times before inventing the electric bulb. Yet he said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Every failure double is enthusiasm. This teaches us success is not the opposite of failure. It is a part of success. Now, strong believer is most beloved to Allah than a weak believer, though there is good in both. Strength is not the absence of failure. Strength is rising after falling. Another powerful example comes from sports. Muhammad Ali, the greatest boxer ever in history, was once asked, how many sit-ups you do? He replied, I do not count my sit-ups. I start counting my sit-ups when I start hurting. Because the real growth begins after the pain. The extra mile you run, the extra efforts you put, the difficulties you face, that's what that take you to success. Obstacles will come, challenges will arise, but do not give up, because the goal is ahead of you. Allah commands us in Surah Al-Imran, ayah number 139 that do not lose heart and do not grieve, but one you will be succeed if you are a believer. Concluding with golden words of APJ Abdul Kalam has said, difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to realize your hidden potential and power. So let the difficulties know that too you are difficult. Thank you for your patience. Have a wonderful day. Remember one thing in your life. Never ever give up. Jazakallahu khairan jazira.
Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him all day for what is and what was. Take hold of your iman.